This is example problem and your homework question. In the circuit diagram, suppose the resistor R1, R2, R3 have the values 5, 10, 30 ohm respectively, which have been connected to a battery of 12 volt. Calculate, the first one is the current through each resistor, and the second one is total current, and the third one is total resistance. See, in this diagram they are given three resistors values and they are given volt, that is 12 volt, and they are asking us to find, first one is current through each resistor, and the second one is total current, and the third one is resistance. So now let us solve the first one. So now here we need to use how we derived the formula for the resistors in parallel. There we got I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3, right? Then what happens? I1 is equal to what? V by R1 is our first equation. Then I2 is equal to V by R2 and I3 is equal to V by R3. Now why I use this formula means current, they asked us to find out current through each resistor. That means through each R1, R2, R3. We know V value, that is 12, and in the parallel circuit volt will be same for all the resistors. So substitute of values, 12 by what is R1, 5, and here what is R2, that is 10, and here R3 and V is 12 by 30, and calculate, we'll get 2.4 and here we'll get 1.2 and 0.4, and the unit of current is ampere. See, we got all the current across each resistor. This is our first question. Now see what is our second question. Total current. It is nothing but use the formula I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Substitute all the values, 2.4 plus 1.2 plus 0.4, and see how much we'll get. We got 4 ampere. So this is for the second question. And see, third one is resistance. Use the formula of resistance in parallel, Rp. So directly I am going to substitute 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 30. Here we get 30. So 5, 6, 10, 3, 1. How much will get here? 10 by 30. Reciprocal of this will get 30 by 10. That is nothing but 3 ohm. So see, we got all the three values and it is very easy question. If you want to draw the diagram, just draw the diagram which has three resistors and name them and give one battery, and that's it. In figure, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 are 10, 40, 30, 20, 60 ohm respectively, and 12 volt battery is connected to the arrangement. Calculate, the first one, the total resistance in the circuit, and the second one, the total current flowing in the circuit. See, this is the circuit diagram. Circuit diagram here, resistors are connected in parallel in two compartments. R1, R2 makes one parallel, and another one is R3, R4, R5 which are connected to battery. So R1 value is 10, R2 is 40, R3 30, R4 is 20, R5 is 60 and 12 volt. Here we need to find out total resistance and total current. See here, we can't just make a formula of parallel like 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 till 1 by R5. Since in the diagram we can clearly saw that the resistors in parallel are arranged in two compartments. So let us solve first this resistors in parallel and next this resistors in parallel. So for here let us take R dash and this one let us consider as R double dash. Later on, to find out the total resistance, we will add this R dash and R double dash. So first let us solve the first one, resistance. So as I said, we are taking 1 by R dash is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 40. So here we will get 4 plus 1, it is 5 by 40, and reciprocal, that is we will get R dash, that is 40 by 5 is nothing but 8 ohm. So we solved the first part of resistors, that is R1 and R2. Next we will go for R double dash, that is 1 by R3 is what? 30 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. So how much we will get? 60, 2 is 3 is plus 1 here, 3 plus 2, 5, 6 by 60. Reciprocal of this, what we will get? R double dash is equal to 60 by 6, that is nothing but 10 ohm. Now we need to find out total resistance. So that is nothing but R1 plus R double dash will get R. So 8 plus 10 is equal to 18 ohm is our answer for the first question. Now let us solve for the second question. Second one is what? Total current. We know from Ohm's law V is equal to IR. We need to find out I. So what happens? I is equal to V by R. What is V? Here we have 12 volt. And R is nothing but, here total resistance 18. So now calculate and see how much we will get. 0.67 ampere. See, even though the starting question looks little bit difficult, but it's easy to solve. Just we need to analyze the question, we need to make step by step, we'll get correct answers.